talk about it?
There's a old Chinese tradition. When someone dies, you're supposed to open all the doors and windows, literally sweep all the death out of your house so that everyone else can go on living.
Only it were that easy, right?
My brother and I got attacked about a year ago. After a big tournament in Beijing. My brother won, but the guy he beat wanted revenge. One of them pulled a knife. Johnny! Bo was screaming for me to help him.